Alright, it's just about to fall asleep here working, but the fire alarms went off. And University Hall, University of Toledo. I guess I gotta go out. You know what? I better take my computer. Better take it. Get out of here. You know what'll happen if I stay? Won't be able to get back in for a half hour. Taking his time, man. I'll burn up in the fire. I'll take this with me. There it is. Alright. Let's go out. A little bit of a tight heading to me. What's that? Videotaping. Oh! You're taking video right now? Yeah. Why? Oh, I know, because how fun is that, right? Fire alarm going off.
Body stuff on this thing is not really helping me out.
So I packed up my computer. I'm like, okay, it's going to take a half an hour to get back in the building.
I was thinking I should update the proposal of the UPS.
Yeah.
But I guess you were busy today.
Oh, yeah, too much.
That's my fault. I got to get the phone.
You're out too far there.